you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Tonight I am making my Mexican rice. I know you've been patiently waiting for the recipe. So without further ado, let's go do it. And this is what you're going to need to make it. I have a bunch of cilantro chopped up, some white rice, 4 cups of water, 2 packets at least of salt-free chicken bouillon, some Pollo seasoning, some cumin, some oregano, some garlic powder, onion powder, and I blended up my tomatoes. I got some roasted tomatoes, but you can just use any type of tomatoes or tomato sauce. And I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup of that, maybe more. It depends. Just use it to taste. All right. Now I'm going to put some oil in this skillet. And let's get started. I've got my oil heating in my large pot. I'm going to put in 2 cups of rice. Now I'm going to stir this around till the rice is browned, because after all, it's fried rice. While the rice is browning, I'm going to take my water, my 4 cups of water, and I'm going to put in my 2 packets of salt-free chicken bouillon, so it can combine, dissolve, and be the perfect stock when I put into my rice. Now that we've got the rice a brown consistency, we're going to pour in our now chicken stock. Just a little. Okay? Now we're going to put in about a 1/4 cup tomato sauce. This is just to get the rice flavored. I'm also going to throw in my cilantro. You don't have to add it if you don't like it. I just happen to like it. All your seasonings go in. Teaspoon of oregano. Big old teaspoon of cumin. I might be adding a little more. Just a sprinkle of the pollo, the chicken seasoning, which you can find in any grocery store. We're going to add our garlic powder. Oh yeah. We're going to add our onion powder. And stir it around, because Uncle Chris is heavy on the spice. You all know it. Pour in the rest of your chicken stock. Stir this around. You're going to bring this to a boil while I also clean up the mess I made. You know how crazy I am. Bring this to a boil. Put the top on. Once it boils, bring it down to a simmer. Do not take this top off. You'll be tempted to, but don't. Let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until almost all of the liquid has cooked out. Okay? Do not stir it, otherwise you get mushy rice. All right, we'll be back in 10 to 12 minutes, and you'll see what I mean. All right, nieces and nephews, you can't see through the top right now, but the water has boiled out. Hold on, let me open it up. Oh, look at that. Now, I let all the liquid basically boil down. I let it sit for a few minutes, and now, look at this. If the pot will stay still, you can fluff your rice like this, and you have the perfect rice. Look at that. Oh, it's perfect. All right, I'm gonna let this sit and gather all this flavor. And then tonight, we're gonna have Mexican rice and tacos. In the description down below, I'm gonna have all the exact measurements for the ingredients. It's so simple, you can do it too. So now you don't have to go out and purchase fried rice when you get a meal. You make it yourself. Like, comment, subscribe. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. My hair is going all over the place because of the humidity. I am so crazy. Oh, stay tuned for the next video. I've got a food pantry haul for you because now I'm going to supplement what I didn't get from the grocery store with what I can hopefully get from the food pantry. All right? Join me on a day of food pantry shopping. All right. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got